Choosing between an automotive service technician and an automotive body repair technician career depends on what aspect of cars electrifies your passion more, the mechanical guts or the sculpted skin. The nuts and bolts, automotive service technician. As an automotive service technician, you dig into the heart of the beast. That means engines, transmissions, brakes. You're the doctor of internal car health. It's a field that's shifting gears incredibly fast with the advent of electric and hybrid vehicles. And here's something to consider. As vehicles grow more computerized and complex, the need for skilled technicians with up-to-date training increases. Financially speaking, service technicians can command solid paychecks, especially if they specialize, think German cars, electric vehicles, etc., or become master technicians. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for automotive service technicians was around $44,050 as of May 2020. Keep in mind, though, more specialized technicians can pull in a good deal more. The art of restoration, automotive body repair technician. Now let's talk about the artists of the automotive world, body repair technicians. These are the whizzes who can turn a car crunched like an accordion back into showroom shape. It's not just about hammering out dents. It's about restoring a car to its gleaming glory, which requires a keen eye and a careful hand. The paycheck in auto body repair isn't a scratch-off ticket to riches, but it doesn't have to be loose change either. BLS data shows that as of May 2020, the median wage for this role was sitting at about $43,580. However, the top performers in high-end shops or those who run their own businesses can potentially out-earn their service tech counterparts. My personal take. Now, I'm sitting here in Portland, Oregon, where Subarus and Priuses rule the roads, and let me tell you, both roles are in demand. But in the end, the career that will fill your wallet thicker depends a lot on your level of expertise, certifications, and where you work. The final straight. Honestly, the paycheck should definitely be a factor in your decision, but your passion should weigh heaviest on the scale. If you love what you do, whether it's the meticulous detail work of body repair or the complex puzzles under the hood, you're likely to excel, earn recognitions, and eventually, a better paycheck. So, throttle your career choice based on what drives you. With experience, a robust portfolio, and a bit of networking, either path can lead to a lucrative destination. And remember, in an industry that's always evolving, being a lifelong learner can fuel your earning potential more than anything else. Stay curious, keep your skills sharp, and whichever road you choose, make it a ride to remember. For more info on wages and trends, the Bureau of Labor Statistics is always a great pit stop. BLS, Automotive Service Technicians, https www.dls.gov, Installation, Maintenance and Repair, Automotive Service Technicians and Mechanics, Team, and BLS, Automotive Body and Related Repairers, https www.dls.gov, Installation, Maintenance and Repair, Automotive Body and Related Repairers, TM.